Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today I want to introduce you to a product that I recently came across. This is called the SquareMaster V2 by Holstery. And this is an American-owned company. It's a gentleman out in Idaho. His name is Josh Hartung, that has produced a couple of different really kind of innovative stuff for carrying around different types of tools on the job site. Now he has versions of a hammer holster, which he calls the Hammer Master, also one for a tape measure called the Tape Master. He also has another one that I am probably going to be picking up because I find it to be very intriguing, and that is the Mag Master. And basically what it is a holster that has a built-in magnet on it for carrying a number of different hand tools, or you could put fasteners on it, stuff of that nature, so that you're not having to carry them in a pocket or necessarily in a pouch, especially when you're only doing little light projects or small projects. So this is a very innovative solution for that. But this one here is the SquareMaster version 2, and the reason I picked this up is because I thought this was very, very intriguing, and I've actually used this for a couple of days, and I got to tell you, this is actually pretty time saving when you are doing, like in my case, I do a lot of little fabrication on metal plates, whether that be making base plates or something, and being able to have a way to effectively carry a speed square with you. Now you can stick it in your back pocket, but it's a little cumbersome. It's constantly wearing on your pocket, and just because the overall size of a square, it just doesn't fit that well. It doesn't work that well. But this particular product is very lightweight. This is aluminum housing that has a Kydex clip that is mounted to it, and that is also reversible, so you can switch it around to the opposite side as well to carry it left or right-handed. And then it has a 3D printed spring, a tensioning spring here, that keeps that square housed in there with just the right amount of tension, so that it doesn't, I can flip it upside down, it doesn't just fall out. You have to put you have to put the right amount of pressure on it to be able to retract it, or extract it, I mean. It carries in both directions. And so this is a really interesting product. I had never seen anybody that made any type of a holster that was specifically designed to carry a speed square. And after using this for a little while, I gotta tell you, I really like this. I especially like the fact that this is a small American company. It looks like, I'm not sure how long he's been around, but it looks like he's just getting started, and he's filling one of those niche products. And I like to support American companies whenever I can. And I definitely like this one. And I'm going to be picking up a couple of his Mag Master holsters as well, because I think they can be incredibly useful for stuff like pliers or hardware or any number of different things. So I encourage you guys to check them out. I'm going to leave links down below if this is something that interests you, is something. I find this to be a very innovative solution for carrying a speed square. I think it's just an awesome little product that I've never seen anything quite like this before on the market before. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.